He was furious that this guy didn't lose his license after his mother was walking across the street and got hit and killed by this driver. He was outraged. You want to learn why? Come join me for a moment as I share with you this remarkable story. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski, a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney, and let me tell you what happened in this case in Queens County involving a woman who's crossing a residential street in a crosswalk. She's walking home. She's got a bag in her hand. She'd just come from the grocery, and now she's walking across the street. A driver coming down this residential street was careless. He went right through that stop sign and only recognized the impact the moment the impact occurred. His car came to a stop many feet after that crosswalk, many feet after the stop sign. And now he immediately gets out of the car, he goes over, and poor old grandma is on the ground, suffered massive head trauma. She's bleeding from her head, from her ears, from her nose. It's terrible. Calls an ambulance. An ambulance arrives. It's already too late. She's dead on arrival. Dead on arrival. Her son, when he learns what happened to his mother, is furious. He's outraged. And he demands from the police to know when this guy's going to lose his license. That's what he's worried about. Days, weeks, months later, he still can't understand why this gentleman has not lost his license to drive. The Department of Motor Vehicles has a hearing to determine whether or not this guy is fit to continue to drive. And you know what they determined? Yes, he is. This was not intentional. And whatever criteria they used to make that conclusion, they determined that he was still entitled to continue to drive. So now this elderly son had no choice but to bring a lawsuit to try and obtain compensation for all the harms, the losses, the wrongful death his mother suffered because of this driver's carelessness. And that's where I enter the picture. And you know what this gentleman said to me? He said, the money's never going to bring her back. It's awful. And she still had so many more years to live. But he wanted to make sure that this guy didn't drive again, because there was a high likelihood that he believed that this guy was going to be careless again, causing another accident. So why do I share this quick story with you? I share it with you to show you the focus of this one litigant who brought a lawsuit to obtain compensation for his mother's death was not on obtaining money, but rather was trying to prevent this guy from causing other harm and injury to other people. You know, I realize you're watching this video because you have questions or concerns about your own matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you haven't brought a lawsuit yet, and you're considering bringing one, but you have questions that need answers first, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a great day.